The AIOT video screen has 3 playback modes: flash file playback, SD card playback, and auto loop playback. Now the 3 modes will be introduced in order. First, flash file playback. Open the All tool for AIOT software. Click HMI tool. Click New. Set project path. Import background images. Select the touch control to set page switching for 3 pages as follows. Click page 0 to switch to page 1. Click page 1 to switch to page 2. Click page 2 to switch to page 0. Click Save and Generate. Open the preset folder. You can see the generated configuration files. Click UIF tool to generate touch configuration file. Click Open 13 touch file and select the configuration file you just made. Set the image ID to 32 and touch audio file to buzzer sounds. Click Create UIF file and save as 13 UIF. Click ICM tool, import background images, set shape type to T5L2. Click Create ICM to the preset folder and name the configuration file as 32ICM. We will configure the audio and video files. Click Movie tool, import the video file. Set resolution of 1920-1080, which means full-screen display. Then create WOM and ICM files to the preset folder as 220 WOM and 64 ICM. Copy these configuration files to the DWIN set folder in the SD card. Then we will realize music and video playback by sending command. Open SSCOM. According to the AIOT screen user manual, D4 and D6 represent the music file ID. In the example, the ID is 220 and 100 means music volume. Copy this command and click Send. According to the AIOT screen user manual, D6 to D7 represents the video file ID. In the example, the ID is 64. Copy this command and modify the horizontal and vertical points in the hex for full-screen display, which means 0320 to 0780, 0258 to 0438. Click Send and that's the effect. For the second mode, we should format the SD card to 64 kilobytes according to AIOT LCM user manual. Open the All tool for AIOT software, click Movie tool and open the movie file. Set resolution to 1920-1080 for full-screen display. Set Align ICM to 64 KB according to the AIOT LCM user manual. Create a new folder as SD card playback. Then create the WOM file as 32,771 and ICM file as 32,770 ICM according to AIOT LCM user manual. Copy them to the SD card and burn them into the screen. Open the SSCOM to realize video playback by sending command. Set the command of video playback to 8002 according to the AIOT LCM user manual. The first half of the command is for the music playback and the second half is for the video playback. Click Send and that's the effect. For the auto loop mode, first download the AIOT auto loop playback kernel. Unzip the file and according to the prompt file, the music file is saved at 200 and the video is saved at 40. Open the All tool for AIOT software. Click Movie tool and open the video file. Set resolution as 1920-180. Create a folder named as Auto Loop Playback. Create music file in the preset folder as 200 WOM and create the video file as 40 ICM. Copy the horizontal display file and copy the 3 configuration files in the DWIN set folder in the SD card. Burn them in the screen and that's the effect.